Welcome back to another El Yucateco recipe video, everyone. My name is Mike, and today I'll be sharing an easy grilled pork tenderloin recipe with you. This is perfect for any weeknight or weekend meal. Although pork tenderloin is a very inexpensive cut of meat, when prepared properly, it can be as delicious as anything you have ever had. Now let me show you how to do it. Okay, let's get started. Pork tenderloin typically comes packaged in twos, so you may opt to cook both or just one. I'm going to be preparing both today. Sometimes when unpackaged you may see some hard fats or some silver skin. Go ahead and remove that if it's excessive. These that I have here look pretty clean, so we're just going to leave these alone and move right to the seasoning step. For our seasoning today, I'll be using a homemade recipe, which is just equal parts of salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika. Just whisk all that together and it's ready to go. Or if you have a favorite seasoning you like to use, go ahead and use that. And we have a very special guest today as a binder. If you've never used El Yucateco hot sauce as a binder, you are missing out. Go ahead and apply that generously and make sure you coat these pork tenderloins well. This is going to help that rub to stick to the outside and give some amazing flavor. Now generously apply your rub to the outside, all surfaces, and I mean be generous. We want to build an amazing bark on the outside of these pork tenderloins, and this seasoning is going to help us do that. And now that these pork tenderloins are coated well with that seasoning, it's the perfect time to let these hang out for a few minutes while we get our grill up to temperature. We'll be doing this cook on a gas grill today, and we're going to preheat that to about 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And this is also a great opportunity for you to go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. You don't want to miss out on all these good recipes, do you? So go ahead and click that button as well as the bell to make sure that you have your notification settings set to all. Alright, it's now time to get these pork tenderloins onto the grill. So go ahead and get them on and let these cook for a few minutes on each side. We want to get some nice searing on all surfaces of these pork tenderloins. This will add some amazing flavor and texture to each and every bite. So flip them and move them around as needed until they reach our desired temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Be sure to have an instant read thermometer handy. This is going to help assure that you don't overcook these. If you want a juicy pork tenderloin, you'll want to pull these off the grill at 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Then wrap them in tinfoil and allow them to rest for just a few minutes. During this rest, they will break a 145 degree Fahrenheit final finishing temperature. These are done resting and it is now time to cut this up and serve. These are absolutely gorgeous, and trust me, they're going to taste even better than they look. To serve these up, you'll want to slice these to about a ½ inch in width. And these mouth-watering results speak for themselves. Now just finish this up with a little drizzle for some added flavor and presentation. So this is a simple recipe with a few easy steps that you can repeat time and time again to make the best pork tenderloin you have ever made. And that added flavor from the El Yucateco hot sauce as a binder takes this recipe to a whole nother level. Alright, that's it for this one. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll give this recipe a try at home. Don't forget to kick up all your recipes with the King of Flavor. And I'll see you on the next video.